comment happy, kids. Like and subscribe.
Is my YouTube channel.
Allah Ho, 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 Allah Ho. Sparrow say Allah Ho, Allah Ho, sparrow say Allah Ho, Allah Ho, sparrow say Allah Ho, Allah. Dove say Allah Ho, Allah Ho, dove say Allah Ho, Allah Ho, dove say Allah Ho, Allah Ho, dove say Allah Ho, Allah Ho. Allah Ho, Chidya Bole Allah Ho, Dove Bole Allah Ho are the lyrics to the song Allah Ho by Ustad Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. This is a beautiful and soulful song that is often performed in Sufi gatherings. The repetition of the phrase Allah be means to invoke the name of God in a meditative and spiritual way. In this context, it signifies the oneness and oneness of God, and the song is an expression of devotion and surrender to the divine. Bye.